Hey there. So, as somebody requested, here's the video for how to install a kernel. So, there's like 3 ways. You will only need 2 ways mostly. Third one is optional if you are troubleshooting. So, the first one is easiest. If you are the ROM is running fine, there's just a kernel update. So, you just need to install the kernel, latest kernel, as I posted a kernel, the fix. So what you gotta do is download that into your device. I'm already running it, so I'm just gonna show you the steps. So go to the Sukisu Ultra, click on this flash kernel, install, and select the kernel zip wherever you downloaded it. So I didn't download it, so it's here. When you click it, it will start doing the process. After it's finished, it will ask you to reboot, and voila, you're done. So that's the easiest way, the first. But if you're stuck in a recovery or you are coming from a different ROM and it's breaking, it's not working, so the go-to way that works on any ROM, every ROM, not on stock recovery though, you need a custom recovery or a device recovery, pixel, dirtfest, or whatever there is. So we reboot to recovery, and we need the file on desktop. So I've already downloaded it here. I'm gonna move it to move to desktop. Okay, so since I already have like platform tools here and added a path to them, I'll just do like terminal here. I'll check the cable is connected, apply from ADB, and we check ADB devices just to be sure there are, see, okay, it's detected on my PC. So what's next is simple command ADB side load, and you can just wherever that is file is, you can drag and drop. You don't even have to like open the CMD or whatever, wherever in the folder or have platform tools there. But you can, like, if you don't want to do that, you can just have platform tools there and the kernel zip, open the CMD, do this, press enter, and wait for the magic to happen. Oh yes, if signature verification failed, just hit install. Yes, it will do its magic. So the first part is when you press yes, the file is copied to this device and the system shows 47%, then it's installing on the device. System is doing nothing. You can even close the CMD, reboot to device. Will it boot or I get trolled? Oh, okay, it's booting. Bring. So okay, this is the second two most used methods. But in special cases where you want to use like old kernel, you don't have even like the kernel from previous releases, which I didn't give a zip for. So you grab the previous release, extract its boot img, go to fast boot, okay, this one. So you press volume down while restarting. You go to the fast boot mode, you do fast boot flash boot boot.img in this, and you're done. Just reboot. And this is for only old kernels if you want, or if you just want to use the new kernel, get a zip. If I don't release a zip, it's just a release, like for release, you grab the boot img, flash it. Yeah. Here we go. So this is it. That's how you install a kernel on pipa, at least. Oh, see you on the next one.